Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Joanna M. Miguel, 29 years old, from Barangay 38A, Mangato, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am married and have a 2 loving son, age 10 and 4 years old. I am high school graduate from Poway Lake National High School, and my work experience in Philippines is domestic helper for almost 4 years, and I also working abroad in Kuwait for 7 months. I can handle all household chores, cook, and take care of children or elderly people. I am honest, thinking, and respectful, and I always follow my employer's rules. I love doing my work properly, and I will to learn to more serving your family better. I hope you will give me a chance to work with your family. I promise to be my honest, respectful, and hardworking. Thank you, ma'am and sir.